Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines here. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, when levels of resistance are broken above and closed up above, they tend to act as support. Can you tell it's Friday? Anyways, 460 was a level of resistance going into today, but now that the price has gotten up above it, that would be one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 460. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 460, that implies the entire chart's epically destroyed. Nothing like that, but yeah, if the price could stay above it, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 460 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of where the party stopped during that first 30 minutes, and that's right up there at $5.50. So 550 will be that key level to watch going forward. But really, resistance levels don't matter. What I mean by that, well, it matters the most is what the price has already been doing. So if you look at where the lows have been, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given it enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So very nice close to the week. Let's see how this one continues to play out next week. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to offer you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident that you would find this live web class that I've put together very beneficial. So if you're interested in learning more, just go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link in the description area below. It is truly a live event. So if there's a live question and answers at the end. It's very interactive. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.